Traveling is an adventure, and having the right gear can make the journey smoother and more enjoyable. But outfitting yourself for travel doesn't have to drain your wallet. Knowing when to splurge and when to save is key. Each traveler's needs are different, but certain categories of gear consistently show where spending more is worth it, and where you can cut costs without sacrificing quality. Start with luggage. A reliable suitcase is the cornerstone of any trip, and here, durability matters. Investing in a premium option like the Away Bigger carry-on pays off. It's built to last with tough polycarbonate material and smooth spinner wheels, plus features like a built-in battery for charging your devices. For those watching their budget, the Amazon Basics hard-side spinner is a solid alternative. It might not have the bells and whistles, but it's sturdy and functional for most trips. Backpacks are another essential piece of travel gear. If you're after versatility and advanced features, the TomTalk Travel Backpack 40L is a top choice. Its weatherproof material and customizable compartments make it perfect for adventurers or photographers. On the other hand, the Matane Travel Laptop Backpack offers a simple and affordable solution with handy features like a USB charging port and ample storage space. When it comes to travel clothing, comfort is king. Splurging on items like Bayleaf hiking pants for women or Columbia Silver Ridge convertible pants for men can feel indulgent, but their durability and multifunctionality often justify the cost. They transition effortlessly from a plane ride to a casual outing. If you're looking to save, CRZ Yoga. Lightweight joggers for women or Santini quick dry hiking pants for men provide lightweight, breathable options that won't break the bank. Tech gadgets are often where splurging can make a noticeable difference. Long flights or noisy destinations are no match for the Sony DH1000XM5 noise-canceling headphones, which deliver unparalleled sound quality and comfort. But for those seeking a budget-friendly alternative, the Anker Soundcore Life Q30 headphones offer impressive performance at a fraction of the price. Staying organized while traveling can significantly reduce stress, and packing cubes are a game-changer. The Vecan Packing Cube set is a luxurious choice, combining durability with a chic design. Yet, the Begale Packing Cubes deliver similar practicality, offering sturdy materials and various sizes at a much lower cost. Travel pillows are another area where both splurging and saving have their merits. For superior neck support, the Cabo Evolution S3 travel pillow is a standout, with memory foam and straps to keep it secure. If simplicity and affordability are priorities, the Bikazi neck pillow provides decent comfort and is easy to pack. Even small items like water bottles can make a big difference. The Hydro Flask standard mouth bottle excels in keeping drinks cold or hot for hours, making it a versatile companion for any trip. However, the Nalgene Triton wide mouth bottle is a lightweight, durable, and budget-friendly option for casual travelers. Ultimately, choosing between splurge and save comes down to your priorities and how often you'll use the gear. For items that endure heavy use like luggage or backpacks, spending more on quality can save money in the long run. But for accessories or gear used less frequently, budget-friendly choices can meet your needs without sacrificing too much. With thoughtful planning, you can outfit yourself for travel in a way that balances cost and value, ensuring your adventures are both comfortable and memorable. Thanks for joining me as we explored the best travel gear for every budget. Whether you're ready to splurge on quality or save smartly, there's something here to enhance your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and gear reviews. Let me know in the comments what your go-to travel gear is. Are you a splurge or save kind of traveler? Until next time, happy travels!